Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix the FACEIT TPM Attestation error. Start by checking the TPM status in Windows. Press the Windows key, type tpm.msc and press enter. A window will open showing TPM management. Look at the status message. It should say that the TPM is ready for use and that the specification version is 2.0. If it does not say this, you will need to enable TPM in your BIOS. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Once inside the BIOS, find the Security or Advanced Settings. Look for TPM or FTPM. On Intel systems, it is often called PTT. On AMD systems, it is usually called FTPM. Enable this option. Next, make sure Secure Boot is enabled. This setting is normally found under the Boot section in the BIOS. Set Secure Boot to Enable. If the error still appears, reinstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat and restart your PC. In some cases, enabling the Device Health Attestation service can also help. The TPM attestation error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.